Did you know that just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds pack more calcium than a glass of milk, more omega-3s than a serving of salmon, and more antioxidants than blueberries? It sounds unbelievable, but this tiny seed has been revered for centuries, and not just in modern health circles. The ancient Aztecs and Mayans considered chia seeds a staple food, fueling warriors and messengers on long, demanding journeys. Chia even means strength in the Mayan language, a fitting title for a seed that has quietly held the secret to robust health for thousands of years. Today, chia seeds have exploded in popularity, earning their place among the world's most celebrated superfoods. But what exactly makes chia seeds so super? Their rise in the health and wellness scene isn't just a trend. It's backed by an impressive profile of nutrients. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Their versatility and easy integration into meals make them a favorite among nutritionists, athletes, and anyone seeking a simple way to boost their diet. However, with all the hype comes some common misconceptions. Many believe that chia seeds are just a fad, or that their benefits are overblown. Some worry that these seeds are difficult to digest, or assume they're only useful for making trendy chia puddings. And then there's the challenge of actually incorporating them into a daily routine. You might be thinking, how do I use these seeds without my food turning into a gelatinous blob? Or, do I have to eat them raw to get the benefits? The truth is, chia seeds are far more flexible and powerful than you might realize. Let's start by unlocking their nutritional superpowers. First, chia seeds are a fiber powerhouse. Just 1 ounce contains 11 grams of dietary fiber, nearly half the recommended daily intake for adults. This fiber is mostly soluble, meaning it absorbs water and expands in your stomach, helping you feel full longer. This can be a game changer for those looking to manage their weight or reduce mindless snacking throughout the day. Next, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that support brain health, reduce inflammation, and promote heart health. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a type of omega-3. While fish is often touted as the go-to source for omega-3s, chia seeds offer an accessible, plant-friendly alternative for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to diversify their nutrient sources. Protein is another hidden gem in chia seeds. Unlike most plant-based foods, chia seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. This makes them an excellent addition to a plant-based diet, or for anyone looking to increase their protein intake without relying solely on animal products. But that's not all. Chia seeds are brimming with antioxidants, which help protect your body from free radical damage. They're also rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are vital for bone health, energy production, and overall wellness. And thanks to their unique gelling properties, they can help stabilize blood sugar, making them a smart choice for people managing diabetes or looking to avoid energy crashes. Now, let's tackle the biggest question. How do you actually use chia seeds in your everyday meals? The most common method is to sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or stir them into oatmeal. When soaked in liquid, they form a gel-like texture, perfect for puddings and overnight oats. But what if you're tired of the usual recipes? Here's a unique way to unlock the power of chia seeds. Use them as an egg substitute in baking. That's right, chia seeds can replace eggs in muffins, pancakes, and even cookies. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and you'll have a thick, gel-like mixture that works just like an egg. This trick is perfect for those who are vegan, have egg allergies, or simply want to add a nutritional punch to their baked goods. But the possibilities don't end there. You can mix chia seeds into salad dressings for added crunch, sprinkle them into homemade granola, or add them to energy bars for a fiber and protein boost. They can even be stirred into soups and stews as a natural thickener, or mixed into nut butters for a unique, nutrient-dense spread. The key is to start small, a tablespoon here, a sprinkle there, and gradually find the combinations that work best for your taste and lifestyle. Let's recap the secret superpowers of chia seeds. They're an incredible source of dietary fiber, helping you feel fuller for longer and supporting digestive health. Their omega-3 fatty acids promote heart and brain health, while their complete protein profile makes them a valuable addition to any diet. Packed with antioxidants and minerals, chia seeds also support bone health, energy production, and immune function. And perhaps best of all, they're incredibly easy to incorporate into countless dishes. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a satisfying snack, or a new twist on your favorite recipes, by making chia seeds a part of your daily routine, you're not just following a trend, you're tapping into a time-tested source of energy, strength, and wellness that has nourished people for centuries. So the next time you're looking for a simple, powerful boost to your meals, remember the secret superpowers of chia seeds. Give them a try, experiment with new ways to enjoy them, and watch as your health and vitality flourish. If you found these insights helpful and want to discover more ways to unlock the potential of everyday foods, don't forget to subscribe. There's a whole world of nutrition and wellness waiting to be explored. And together, we can make every meal super.